What's the meaning of blue flag? Blue flag. Blue flag.
Blue flag. Blue flag. Blue flag generally refers to a prestigious international certification awarded to beaches and marinas that meet specific criteria related to water quality, safety, environmental management, and services. The program is managed by the Foundation for Environmental Education, FE, a non-governmental organization based in Denmark, and has been in existence since 1987. The aim of the program is to promote sustainable development in coastal areas and to increase awareness about the importance of protecting the environment.